Culture is the fabric that weaves together the diverse threads of humanity. It's the music, art, traditions, and stories that connect us across borders and generations. I am April Espida,
And I'm Christine Pomonas,
and welcome for today's podcast, Chika na Marista episode.
Char, I gave insights to our intro pala ha, that culture is a fabric that weaves us together.
True, and culture is a great key for us to unite one another. So, speaking of which, guys, today we're gonna be discovering and delve into the world of Maristas culture. So, we are grade 12 STEM students from Notre Dame Campus University. For you, ano bang makikita mo sa Notre Dame that makes it unique from other schools?
Well, of course, firstly is their core subject, which is yung religious education. Kasi di ko yung makita sa ibang schools, and dito lang yung by RA. Tapos, yung isa sa unique nila is, meron silang
It's a Catholic school talaga.
Catholic school, in which meron silang si Saint Marceline, na always
They have Mars Brothers pa.
So for your April, what makes this school unique?
Same to Christine din, guys. Like, this school is like religious school, so it is open for all religion. Like, unique siya from other school kasi kadami niyang ginagawa quality education na
So may naalala ko na school ba or yung experience ko. Kasi last in Cham, so yung grade 11 pa ako, I tried that sali sa school.
physical competition.
So,
You're in school.
So, nag-try ako din sa mga tryouts nila doon sa Alben. And then, naalala ko, meron silang topics na dapat i-study namin. So, first is yung math, science, tapos meron din yung history.
Actually.
So, sinerch ko yun sa website. And, ayun, I also learned na mga rooms dito sa atin, yung Michael King, UNO, yung LS.
Yes, guys, kasi kung dito kayo mag-aral sa game, meron iba't ibang like mga labels or like names like LS, HR building, LS building, MO, like mga ganyan.
So, what I learned there pala is, yung mga names doon ay sila yung mga old presidents na nag-take over dito sa game.
So, like, may history background pala yung mga names na
So, di lang yun sila na mag-label na ng kung ano. Kasi yung sa HR, yun ang pinaka-oldest na building. Kasi yun din yung first na, hindi naman sa first. Pero yun din yung
president. So, fun fact din, guys, bakit kami ginatawag na Marista? It's because it came from the word Maris. NEDU is a Maris school, diba? So, this came from the names of Mary and Kai.
sa RL, di ba doon tayo last grade 11. Tapos, punta ako sa mga friends ko doon sila sa HR.
Kalayo, no?
Oo, ang layo. Tapos doon ako sa kabilang.
Kami kasi, guys, nung grade 11 kami, kalayo masyado ng room namin from other sections, kaya peaceful kami masyado, kaya walang maingay, kami lang maingay doon. So,
Moving forward, meron kami na-receive ng mga comments from different students here sa DAME and about their experiences dito. However, they will remain as anonymous, so hindi dapat iyan yung name. Pero, meron silang mga ni-state na nickname or yung mga favorite fellow CAS, HSS.
so we will be reading their experiences and thoughts about the Maristas culture.
Yes.
Lang mga alas. Are you ready?
Yes, of course. Hello, Chika na Marista. I graduated from DAME and I remember dati, junior high school ako, di talaga mawawala per subject ang prayer.
Ooh.
Like, nakaka-time na super haba kayo ang prayer, so mabawasan ang time sa isa't isa. Miss ko na tuloy.
True, guys. Like, in every subject talaga, per subject, hindi talaga mawala ang prayer sa amin. Like, meron pa yung mga moments na we're ga-pray, may gatawa. Oo, meron din. Mashock na lang tayo kayo mga wala ga-pray. Gigawang prayer leaders, like mga ganyan. So,
As sabi sila, bakit ako?
bakit
Kasi
ako? May times din, guys, na like, diba nag-pray kami, tapos nagtawa kami. After namin pray, pagalitan kami.
Oh.
And totoo naman kasi kabastos din talaga. Kaya makatawa kasi yung mukha ng mga classmate kami na nag-pray. Like, hindi sila serious. So, yun din yung isa sa mga like, to smash it winter. In every subject, nag-pray talaga yan. Like, own prayers, rather than parang memorized prayers talaga yung mga ganyan. So, let's move on to the next unknown lesson sa Guyana. Hi, Chikadora! Talagang di nagkakamali, sabi ng mga tao na ang daming pogi sa Dane. Last in shops, may nakita akong pogi. Shucks! Shout out kay Kuya na nasa Likas Teatro. Kung saan ang pansin ito. Kaya cutie na CAS. So, last month ba yun? Atong last month? Last month is we had our UWIC. And merong show sa Likas Teatro. Hindi namin niya dito is from Likas Teatro. Manood siya ng Likas Teatro and may pogi daw doon. So, agree?
Okay naman.
Yes. Pero, grabe ha, strong niya. Strong niya naman para mag-show na ganito. So, this is from Teen. This is from college, guys. College of CAS.
College of Arts and Science.
College of Education
in Arts and Science.
So, let's move on to next unknown message. So, this is from her. Sabi niya, "What is up mga chikadoras? Meron akong kwento." In the first place, I thought that I'm not fit in the school, which is Notre Dame. Pero, when went through inside of, namulat ako sa realidad, wow, that this actually is an open school for everyone. True. And I've made a lot of friends and experiences dyan sa loob ng school na yan, na hindi ko na mararamdaman sa ibang school. Wow. Because of the friendship that I built through my friends and teachers, na it turns out to memories na hindi ko makakalimutan. So touching. So true, guys. I beg, this school is open for all. So sabi niya, hindi niya daw mararamdaman sa ibang school yung nararamdaman niya dito. Wow, ano ko yung nararamdaman niya? Special naman masyado. So, sabi niya, build daw siya ng friendship with teachers and classmates niya. So,
Pati sa mga teachers din, napaka-chill nila. And so, parang ma-feel mo sa kanila na
you are not outcast. Let's move on to the next unknown message. So, sabi niya dito, "What's up, Chikadora? Meron akong chika. At first, I was hesitant to transfer ng school, not until I realized na it was really fun pala talaga mag-aral sa Dane. True. Bukod sa meron silang quality education, ma-adapt mo rin talaga yung mga practices na ginagawa nila, which is pagtakan ng core values. What I love about this school is when they are celebrating Pastoral Day, right? Kung saan they share to others what they have and nakakagaan ito sa loob. Indeed, I love anything talaga. From XB. Meron kasi sa day, meron kaming activity which is Pastoral Day.
So, ayun, ako mismo nag-volunteer na magpunta sa Pastoral Day. And what we had noon is, punta kami sa Bulata o sa Burang. Nag-jeep kami. And doon may makita ko mga bata. And of course, nag-go kami mga activities, mga games, para, ayun. And then, lumapit ako isa sa mga bata doon, nakipag-friends ako sa kanila. Sobrang bait nila doon.
I remember ko yun, guys, elementary ako, nakatry ako Pastoral Day. And yun nga, jeep yung isakyan namin. So, hindi lang kami sa malapit, like sa malayo, ito pa kami and sa bukid talaga. Kawawa masyado mga students doon. And kita talaga namin na wala silang mga chanelas, kulang yung mga gamit nila. So, yun, dala kami ng mga pagkain. And we had some program din na example, mga parlor games.
So that's good din dito sa Dane kasi they're really helping out. Isa sa mga core values nila na preference for the least favored.
Right. Again, this is April Espira.
And this is Christine Palmanas. And thank you for being with us until the end of this podcast.
So see you guys in our next episode. See you soon in our Chika na Marisa. Bye!